In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a card as done on Trello. If you're a Trello user, you probably know how essential it is for managing projects and organizing tasks. However, sometimes it can be a bit tricky to track when tasks are completed. Today, I'll guide you through a simple, effective method for marking your tasks as done, ensuring your workflow remains well organized and efficient. Let's start by navigating to the board section of your Trello account. You'll want to ensure that you're logged in and directed to the main dashboard where all your boards are displayed. This is your home base where you can see every project you're working on. Now locate and click on the board that you want to update. It could be a work project, a personal to-do list, or any other flow you're managing. Once you're viewing your selected board, the next step is to create a new list to house your completed tasks. You'll need to click on the option that says Add Another List. Generally, this option is towards the right of your existing lists, but depending on your settings, it might differ slightly. Don't worry though, it's typically very easy to spot once you're on your board page. After clicking to add a new list, you'll be prompted to name it. Here, you'll want to designate this list specifically for tasks you've completed. A straightforward way to do this is by naming it Done. Remember, the key to effective project management is clear labeling so that all team members, or even just yourself, can easily interpret and follow the flow. Once you've named the new list, complete the action by clicking on Add List. This will officially create a dedicated space for your completed cards. You'll see it appear among your existing lists, ready to hold all tasks that you've accomplished. With your new Done list in place, you can now mark tasks as completed by moving them from their current list to the Done list. This action is simple, just drag and drop the task card from its current list into your newly created Done list. Visualizing your completed tasks is incredibly satisfying and keeps your board clear of clutter. Alternatively, if you prefer another method, you can click directly on the card you wish to mark as Done to open its menu. Once there, you'll find an option to archive the card. Archiving is particularly useful if you want to hide completed tasks from your board view, but still want the option to recover them later if necessary. By following these steps, you'll not only keep your Trello board organized, but also experience a truly efficient workflow. Remember, a well-maintained board helps boost productivity and allows clearer communication if you're collaborating with others. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.